In this video I have come up with the making of this stylish loops neckline. The loops and the dory hangings will give extraordinary look. Wanna know how to design? So let's get started. To design this loops neckline, you can go with the normal U shape. So for this type you would require the bias tapes of contrast colors, and for the patch neck I would be taking this mustard yellow. Fold the fabric into two and start marking your measurements, neck width and the neck deep. Keep 1/4 inch for the margin. Start mark the shoulder line measurements of 3 inches neck width and 4.5 inches shoulder line. Down to that 1 inch shoulder slope. And the neck deep of 4 inches. Mark the simple U-shaped neckline. Leave 1 cm seaming allowance and start trimming. The same shape I will be transforming this on this mustard yellow piece to create the patch. Mark the neck measurements. To this neckline I would be marking 1.5 inches all around. Trim on either sides on the marked lines, and also same shape of this on the interfacing. To prepare the dory, I will be using this red color of 1.5 inches bias strip. Fold it into half towards the wrong side. Leave a little bit for the casing and start sewing. This depends upon the thickness how much you want to have your dory. I'll also prepare thin casing with this contrast color blue to prepare loops. Trim off the extras. Pull inside out using this spoke. Press it on this dory to make it flat. See, I've pressed it. You can see now the thin loops is visible. I'd be cutting into 2 inches of each loop size of nearly 25 to 30. I had also stuck the interface into this patch. Now I'd be placing this patch on the wrong side of the base kurti. Start joining these two, sewing towards the wrong side, and I also left 1/4 inch towards the down side for the seaming allowance. Do not stretch the patch or the neckline. Run it friendly. Now give the slits all around the neckline to turn towards the pretty side. The gentle press on this neckline. Let the underneath fabric is well settled. Now give the top stitch all around the neckline. Now towards the another side of this patch, mark 1 centimeter, leaving the gap for the joining of the loops. Mark all around the neckline. If you wish, you can join these loops towards the neckline also. See, I have marked it completely. Now I'll place the loop underneath this patch and I'll start sewing. Turn the seaming allowance towards the down side. You have to make the sandwich of these loops between the patch and the base of the kurti. Ensure to maintain the same gap and the same length of the loops for the neat finishings and the designed neckline. Even for the simple plain kurtis, if you try this, it will elevate and emphasize your neckline. The contrast colors will define designing or the outlining of the neckline, which will give stunning looks. And as the patch is simple, I'd like to design with the embroidery. So for that I'll be using this green colored dory thread or the embroidering thread, winded in the bobbin and inserted in the bobbin case. And on the spool I'll be using the normal cotton thread. Pull the bobbin thread out. This is pretty side of the neckline. Turn upside down. You have to sew towards the wrong side on the top. So I'll be giving the stitch lines of 3. Mark the center line. Start sewing. You can also give any other designs as you like here on the patch. But as I wanna go for the simple one, I'll be using this embroidering dolly thread. Also, I'll be giving the stitch line on either sides of the center line. Ensure to maintain equal gap in between these thread lines. See, this is how it looks. Now I'll be giving on the third side, that is end to this patch. Now I'm done with this sewing part. Now I'll be using the dory, inserting in between these loops from the center towards the left side. Insert the dory in the loops till it reaches to the left side shoulder line. Again start from the center, inserting the dory in the loops towards the right side till it reaches to the right side shoulder line. This dory has to align with the shoulder line of the front. See, when you align the shoulders of front and back, at that time you have to join this dory, inserting in the center and join. Let the loops settle properly and give the tight knot in the center front with these dory threads, and towards the end of this dory you can join the hangings. See how pretty the outcome has turned out with the beautiful simple hangings. Please try this, you'd love to wear it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Having any doubts relating to this pattern, please leave your query in the comment section just below the description box. Please do like and share in your community or circles, may be useful to them. Subscribe to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.